books tend to get dusty when you leave it on the table, and then there's no solution. You either wipe it off, but the dust still remains. There's either stain. So to avoid that, put the book in a plastic cover like this, especially the religious books. When you leave them on your table, they tend to get dusty. So in this way, they will not get dusty or dirty. Cool hack, right? So each time you need to use it, you'll have to just remove it from the plastic. Another hack is when school books get wet because of rain. For that, what you can do is simply take a plastic bag and place your school books in the plastic bag in this way. Thereafter, just put this plastic bag inside your school bag. In this way, what will happen is, even if rain falls and your bag is wet from the outer side, your books will not get wet or damaged. They will remain intact inside the plastic. Useful hack, right? Then please do not forget to share it with others and do subscribe for more.